All right, if you're getting an F as in Frank error on your Whirlpool oven, now this particular one is a gold series, but you might have a different model. Same thing applies. So if you're getting one of these errors, I'll tell you what they are, and I'll put a description of what they are as well. But if you got an F1, and this will show the solution here on the right. F1 is a electronic control board failure or stuck keypad. F2 is an oven temperature too high. F3, oven temperature sensor open or shorted. F4, temperature sensor wiring or sensor problem. F5, door lock or latch failure. F6, communication failure or control board error. F7, a stuck keypad or touch panel. F8, cooling fan or related circuit failure. And F9 is a door lock system failure. All right, if you're getting one of those, one of the first things you can do is to do a reset on your oven for most of these. And to do that is just turn it off, turn the power off. And of course you can't unplug it usually from the back. You can, but you'd have to move it. But just go to your circuit board in your home, usually it's downstairs if you got two-story, and then hit the switch on the circuit board and make sure it doesn't have any power for a good 10 minutes. And then come back, make sure that the power's off, that you don't have a time on it. 10 minutes later, turn the power back on, the switch, and then tell me if it fixed your issue. A lot of times you want to see that it does fix the issue. All right, let me know which one of these errors that you got. Thanks for watching.